guys, what's up? Pagka-venture may karoon guys, mato sa Solana guys. Bakit kami kilaw dito guys?
Unahan ba sa Pilipinas?
What's up mga kabob?
Sa Pilipinas ka,
Let's go!
Putukan ba?
Magbugno kaning Singapore. Buhay ng seaman. Tingala mo unsa yung manggibak-layan diri guys. Barko ni guys. Imagine unsa kadako. Nami Singapore.
Oh no!
Dili kay
salamat at nakagawa na naman tayo ng isa na naman katanayin na makapagpagpag.
Damdamin kung di pa mabahagi din ang bawat pangyayari sa mga apoy na dinadagdag.
guys. Dun. Kumkum guys. Sarap.
Tamis kayo ba? Buyag.
Guys.
Okay.
Didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. Your kids aren't the way they were before.
Yan, laso.
Tamis gagay pa.
Sarap. Oh, guys, nakatilan mo ni guys. Muna siya guys.
Ito pakita po.
Ang tawagan ni guys, kang ni guys.
Wala ko.
Muna siya gitawag guys sa tawagan ni Brad.
Pan.
Upan.
Pan.
Ogpan. Kani siya bakaw kani og juice. Bakaw kani og dili, dala sa mo kumpan. Muna ogpan. Ogpan. Ano guys oh. Lami siya guys. Mura siya kanang bukog bitaw nga puti sa mga parang baboy guys, sa manok, bukog niya mura gana ba ng puti ito guys. Sabi ka
Muba.
crispy guys, crispy. Lami. Ay.
Gamay bitaw. Malagi ana.
Ay. Lami siya. Very tasty and crispy. Mura kung mas barang mura chicken joy.
Let's
Hello guys, paulit namin guys. Thanks for watching guys. Na-enjoy mo sa among trip to Saudi and Siargao. Uwi na kami guys. Uwi na kami guys. Ato mong kuha guys, mga kabab. Ugwa pa na mo to lutoon mga kabab. Dahil gabi na mga kabab, para sa makagawa sa hugaw atong mga kinasun mga kabab. Og see you tomorrow mga kabab. For that lunch break tomorrow. Habab to. Bye. What's up?